Hi there, I want to have a little look at creating a brush using Photoshop. I want to create a stitch brush, so imagine you're trying to stitch some fabric. I've created a square document, it doesn't have to be square but it's handy for this one. And I've got a softish brush and a black. So I'm just going to draw a couple of soft looking black lines like that. Like quote marks or something. Once I'm happy with those, which those look fine, I'm going to go to Edit, Define Brush Preset, and I'm going to call it Stitch, and OK it. And right away the brush appears. So I can get rid of my top layer, which we've created it with, and if I was just to use it now, see, it just creates a couple of smeary lines up or down, which is alright, but not what we want in this case. If I go to Window, Brush Settings, I get all these options open up. If I click Brush Tip Shape, I can adjust the spacing to give us a bit more space between my stitches. And then I want to go to Shape Dynamics and control angle jitter direction. Now hopefully, let's try and draw over here. Can you see this is now trying to follow the line? It's not perfect because it's kind of angled round 90 degrees from what I want. So I grab this little rotation-y thing, pointed upwards, just my spacing again, so I'm getting something resembling stitches. That's about right. Now hopefully I can start drawing stitches. Gaining on it. Let's make my flow much harder because I want these good and dark. Oh, I just stepped back too far. New layer. Make them a bit smaller. Black. And we can start creating stitches. You can do footprints, bunny footprints, anything springs to mind. But it's interesting because once you start messing around with these settings, very, very powerful way of creating and using brushes. Thank you for watching.